Good morning, viewers. You are all welcome to the channel of Professor Ashish. Thanks for writing me and asking various questions pertaining to astrology. Viewers, today's topic is a very interesting one, and I'm very sure those who are listening it they will get benefited from my vast experience in the field of astrology. Whatever I am suggesting, I am pouring in my past 25 years of experience in astrology. Yes, viewers, the topic is which is the best career option suited for you in terms of astrological analysis, which helps you to succeed in life with least resistance, and you can witness name, fame, prosperity with a short span of time. I wonder people chooses profession without consulting their horoscope and they land in a area in a profession where the entire life they struggle for success story and lead a mediocre life. Astrological rule says we should choose our profession after consulting our zodiac sign and planetary position. I am in this lecture telling about all the signs. Please listen to it carefully and follow it if you want to progress. Astrology is my hobby. I am not a professional. I am a professor of a very prominent university and I have other professions also which I am pursuing side by side. This is an hobby which I am pursuing for the past pretty long period, and I'm very sure this spiritual guidance uh, will help you to progress faster. Let's begin, viewers. A person will succeed by having a profession as indicated by strongest sign in the horoscope, a sign which has the support of its lord or aspected by benefic planet is considered to be strong. The most powerful and dominant planet in a horoscope has often a say in deciding one's career, especially when he is the lord of the ascendant or lagna. My experience, which is 100% correct. Planets give excellent indications of success and failures in the various professions. If children are guided properly and are given liberty to act according to their likes and aptitude, they can build a bright future for themselves. Many times, education is wasted because millions of people pursue wrong vocations. I've been approached by many parents to guide about their children's profession, and I'm happy that the trends have increased where parents are consulting which stream their child should choose after class 10th or what kind of profession he should go for in terms of astrological favor. Viewers, in 21st century, every skill is part and parcel of money generating scheme and have acquired their firm place in any profession. Astrology can help one evaluate the prospective of a child and can have a reasonable idea of the field in which this has best chance to develop and progress fast. I generally will say the birth position of ascendant, birth moon, birth position of sun, lord of the ascendant, lord of the 10th house, placement of the 10th lord should be integrated and considered together. The strongest of the above will likely to give you the result. And if you interpret well, there is no question that a person who follow profession as per the indications of his horoscope will always taste super success. If you follow a profession which is not as per your planetary placement, you can never taste success in a big way, and the entire life you will struggle. I will start with career best suited for Aries. Viewers, its element is fire, ruling planet is Mars, quality is cardinal, and always on the move. It is the first and fastest of all the signs, but not noisiest. The natives are quiet and work swiftly. They have the ability of Mars, a planet concerned solely with action and physical energy. Aries are Aries have so much power and energy that they tend to burn themselves up. As such, they should take care, replenish their resources. Arians are entrepreneur leaders and adventurers. They are highly motivated and courageous. Arians are well suited to become a firefighter, surgeon, mechanics, professional athlete, rescue worker, soldier, or security personnel. It is a fiery and movable sign and denotes career that requires enterprise, dynamism, and energy. Native with strong Aries will be outstanding in whatever profession they may be. They may be closely associated with government and are vulnerable to criticism. They do well in military, police, security service, scientist, engineer, dentist, surgeon, mechanics, metal, mineral, technologist, wrestler, bricklayer workers, etc. They earn a lot of wealth by persistent efforts. A strong sun or moon or Mars makes the native successful in executive jobs. With strong sun in Aries, one may do better as a politician, industrialist, timber merchant, educationist, a surgeon, bone specialist. Strong moon in Aries gives more dignity than wealth that is changeable fortune for those in independent business. Strong Mars make law officer, industrial worker, managerial business, army or police officers. Viewers, one can have good business in cattle or food grains. Saturn in Aries gives native success in metal engineering types of profession, or he may be connected to central government or higher departments. He will shine in career, but his income will depend according to the combination of other planets. Likewise, viewers, we will have the explanation of other planets like Mercury, Venus, Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, and Ketu. Aries falling in the 10th house makes a native great man, and he will be a billionaire managing a very big estate and live like a king. Here I have mentioned professions for Arians. Please follow these professions. I'm very sure you will progress fast, which you have never witnessed in your lifetime. The next profession I will say, viewers, is Taurus. I mean to say, career best suited for Taurus as per me. Its element is Earth, ruling planet is Venus, quality is fixed, and its symbol is the bull. Taurians are stable, conservative, and sensual. They are fond of smart clothes, jewelry, comfortable life, and would excel in fashion designing, jewelry, and interior decorators. They are impressed by bigness. Financial institutions or big corporations are places which are first preferences of Taurians. They have artistic skill, and often Taurians become good actor, singer, sculptors, interior decorators, or involved in work with the earth in one or the other ways. They are down to earth and practical. It is second sign of zodiac with fixed earth. Viewers, strong Taurus natives are good advertising and publicity agents, throat specialists, actors, singer, musicians, those connected with entertainment and amusement, tailor, gardener, nursery owners, dealers of vehicle, cosmetics, jewelry, costly fabric, garments, fashion articles, finance broker, company, manager, accountant, farmer, horticulturist, agriculturist, or carpet, cement, etc. They also deal in milk, land, sugar, cotton, and similar profession. Are you listening to me? These are the professions which suits you. If sun is in the Taurus, native will earn in films or music or fine arts. I've seen many actors uh, whose sun is in Taurus, and they are very good in acting in Bollywood or Hollywood, and is competent and practical in whatever he does. Moon in Taurus makes one noble, discreet, dignified with slow and steady progress. Mars in Taurus gives gain from agriculture and moderate wealth. Saturn in Taurus will help native earn livelihood from luxury related goods or transactions. Likewise, we will have exploration of other planets like Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, Rahu, and Ketu. Taurans should do the profession I have mentioned, and there is no doubt, and I'm very sure if you guys are following the profession which I am providing you free of cost because I am not a professional, you will be damn success in terms of name, fame, prosperity. The next profession viewers, I will say Gemini. Career best suited for Gemini. Its element is air, ruling planet Mercury. Quality is mutable and symbol is the twins. Geminians are very unyielding in their determination and are often considered as obstinate. They have great power of endurance, both physical and mental. They can pass through enormous strain or fatigue as long as the excitement or determination last. They are often seen as writer, orator, journalist, teachers, secretaries, lawyers, or computer programmers, excellent directors, etc. Viewers, Gemini natives are good workers in communication, engineers, analytical studies of law and education, writers, secretaries, rail and air transport connected professions, inspectors, sales agent, auditors or accountants, representatives, diplomats, journalism, transport, short journey by road, tutor, secretaries, personal assistant, train and traders in diverse commodities. They are also proficient in logic and mathematics. Sun in Gemini gives one gain excellence in engineering, music, fine arts, and law education. Moon in Gemini makes one excel in intellectual pursuit, art, technology of any kind, sports, writing, journalism, mathematics, commerce, trade, banking, and earning from various sources. Mars in Gemini makes good scientist, educationist, engineer, doctor, technologist, and businessman. He will get interested in jobs of touring, try to do many works. Saturn in Gemini will make native earn through his intellect, commercial transactions, business enterprises, or social work. Likewise, there is explanation of other remaining planets. Viewers, please follow the professions you Gemini which I have mentioned you. I am very sure these are very accurate. You can check from your horoscope. These are mentioned in various astrological texts, Chintamani Chamatkar, Jatak Paridat, Bhrigu Samhita, many ancient texts. And I have seen they are 100% accurate. If you carefully listen this talk and match your horoscope, you will find how accurate I am. Kindly comment in my comment box and follow the professions. You will shine like anything. If you are doing profession which are not as per your zodiac sign Gemini, you will never progress. You will lead a very mediocre, tenseful, without any financial growth, promotion, and no likings of your boss, no improvement in your business. Please follow, and you will see happiness pouring into your life. The next profession I will say, viewers, is Cancer. I mean to say, career best suited for Cancerian people. Cancer, its element is water, ruling planet is moon, quality is cardinal, and the symbol is the crab. Cancerians are very delicate and brilliant people, but they usually lack continuity of purpose. They have tremendous purpose, purpose, they have tremendous purpose in their life, and they have tremendous mind power and are enthusiastic, imaginative, and researching. Their minds keep changing according to the situations. They can become good psychologists. They will be influenced by the dress, gait, habits, and bearing of their colleagues, friends, and all those around. They have to cultivate willpower and self confidence to become successful in life. They will amass wealth through the exercise of their imaginations, poet, writer, famous actor, photographer, cinematographers, directors, lawyer, lecturer, company promoters, public speaker, or career which require diplomacy, tact, and fineness. They are good in biology, botany, geography, geology, fishing, marine life, merchant navy, home furnishing, dairy farming, beekeeping, honey, all jobs related with water or liquids, nurses, doctors, managers of hotel institutions, explorer, caterer, shipping, fishing, sailing, water supply, drainage, archaeology, public life, and mediation, chemical industry, historians, etc. Viewers, Sun in Cancer gives name and fame in any field, but native suffers due to fickle nature. Moon in Cancer gives luck, wealth, and comfort with rise and fall in life. Mars in Cancer gives job related with traveling, foreign, foreign traveling, water traveling, air traveling, horticulture, irrigation, water supply, marine, literary, or artistic field. Saturn in Cancer connects natives earning from arts, traveling, water, connected activities, etc. Likewise, there is explanation of other remaining planets are also. So, Cancerian, please follow the profession which I have mentioned, and they are very accurate. If you follow them, and focus on your attention on the professions which are being mentioned in our ancient astrological text, I am 100% sure you will grow leaps and bounds. Enormous progress in financial terms, in business terms, you will see in your life suddenly changing drastically. The next profession I will say is Leo. Career best suited for Leo. Its elements are fire, ruling planet is the sun, quality is fixed, and viewer symbol is the lion. Leo is creative, artistic, colorful, generous, honest, and revolutionary. They are able person who can readily take up any job and complete it. At the same time, they are full of contradictions and are sometimes restless. They will have a great administrative talent once they have it. At the same time, they are full of contradiction and restless. Once they have it, panned something, they will work their way through it, come what may. They are good poets, artists, politician, engineer, chemist, doctor, military personnel, dentist, metallurgist, sports person, astronaut, astronomer, trader, or experts in law. Viewers, Leo strong natives are dynamic, dominating, creative, cruel, self-made person who cannot be dictated and do well in jobs of authority and power. Such natives are civil servants, politicians, ministers, chief executives, diplomats, speculator, auditor, investment business, jewelry and gold, firemen, theater owner, ambassador, forest officer, dealers or manufacturers of drugs or chemicals, films and drama directors or magicians. If afflicted, one become even criminals too. Sun in Leo makes one rule over others. One will be famous, brilliant, and wealthy, whatever be the profession. Mars in Leo makes one enterprising and daring in politics or endeavor and conquer all hurdles or enemies in profession. Afflicted Mars make native violate norms in his over zeal and endeavor may go in vain. Saturn in Leo makes native successful in government, authorities or jobs connected to government. They have success in later part of their life. Viewers, the next sign is Virgo. I mean to say, career best suited for Virgo. Its element is Earth, ruling planet is Mercury, quality is mutable, and its symbol is the Virgin. Virgo are natural bureaucrats, but socially they tend to be shy and lack of confidence when expressing their feelings. They will accomplish what is impossible to others. They will shine in profession of mass communication and will shine well in service related jobs. Virgoans keep changing their plans. They want frequent changes in everything. They can resist anything that threatens to upset the boundaries of their expectations and established order. They become excellent secretaries. Virgo natives do well in jobs requiring intelligence and efficiency, like psychologists, psychiatrists, healer, professors, mathematicians, computers, astrologers, accountants, auditors, commerce and trade, chartered accountants, management graduates, paper dealer, bookkeeper, author or writer, jobs related with communication or transport clerk, steno, landowner, television, radio, internet. One has better chance of rising under some feminine control. Means if you work under some woman, then you better chance of rising. Moon in Virgo makes native fortunate, learned, lecturer, advocate, lawyer, judge. Do business, trade, interested in foreign lands, and successful in life and professions. They become judge, ministers, vice chancellors. There is no doubt I have seen many people who have a sun, uh, moon in Virgo such position. They are a famous judge or a minister or a governor, a top industrialist or a judges. Strong or full moon gives still better results. Mars in Virgo makes one a musician or craftsman or technocrat or an agriculturist with a more pragmatic and cool headed approach. Saturn in Virgo makes native commercial minded in career, accountancy, commerce, etc. Viewers, these are the professions very accurate mentioned for Virgo people in ancient astrological text. If you are doing this profession mentioned as per your zodiac sign, you are in tune with cosmic energy, and there is no doubt you cannot progress faster. The next sign is viewers Libra. I mean to say career best suited for Libra. Libra is its element is air. Ruling planet is Venus. Quality is cardinal and the symbol is the scales. People born in this period are generally successful in life. They earn money by business that affords pleasure to people. They will understand the finer secrets in the minds of others and act as accordingly. They will make people happy and make a living out of it. Librans' artistic qualities enable them to create beautiful and pleasing environments so that they can be cordial company both at home and at work. They thrive in social groups, being born diplomats, bringing enemies together to make them friends. They are fastidious and about their personal appearance, have a great respect for rank and position, and are great supporters of law and the law decisions. Natives with strong Libra in 10th are good management consultant, judges, advocates, officer of law, logician, druggist, beautician, fashion designer, fashion models, interior decorators, air hostess, sculptors, television artist, cartoonist, cinema artist, pilot, receptionist, perfume or costly garment maker, photographer, bar owners, trader in many articles. If Sun is in Libra, one may have interest in gold, iron, metal, and minerals, or in a traveling job or has a job of distant land. But in government profession, he will face setbacks. Moon in Libra makes one religious, full of energy, brave, and optimistic. Profession indicated are legal, management consultant, film, HR, or cinema industry, interior decorators, photographer, graphics, perfume, costly garments, manufacturer, air hostess, liaison officer, receptionist, etc. Mars in Libra gives a touring job such as tourism, hotel, transport service, and luxury trades. These are the professions mentioned in ancient astrological text viewers for Librans. Let me repeat once again, they are 100% accurate as and they are in tune with your sign. If you are doing some profession which I have mentioned is not matching your current profession, there is no way you can grow faster. There will be obstacles and that you have to overcome. If you choose a profession as per which I am not saying, the ancient astrological text, Bhrigu Samhita, Chintamani Chamatkar, many texts says if you choose your profession according to your zodiac sign, you get less resistance for growth and you get more astral favor to progress. People will favor you. The next sign viewers is Scorpio. I mean to say carrier best suited for scorpions. Its element are water, ruling planets is Mars, quality is fixed and symbol is the scorpion. Scorpions have instinctive sense of what is right and what is wrong. They are constructive of the good and destructive of the evil. They will never bow to the authority of others. They will be good in yoga, meditation, medicine, spiritual studies, scientific studies, and research. They are usually interested in all the things deep, dark, or hidden, which cover a range of activities. They may become psychologists, therapists, archaeologists, historian, detective, or members of mysterious religious cult or political groups. It gives A profession, the army, navy, police officers, or defense officials, boiler, sergeant, dentist, drug, chemist, water supply, nurse, judges, geographer, explorer, barber, dealers in seafood, mechanic, sailor, dock workers, coffin maker, navigator, LIC agent, research scientist, astrologer, occultist, detective, security man, diplomats, or railway employees. Viewers, if Mars is afflicted, then one resort to condemnable acts engaged in antisocial, criminal oriented jobs. Sun in Scorpio makes one do well in military, police, secret service, ordnance factories, firefighters, as doctor, manufacture drug or narcotics. Mars in Scorpio makes one a good salesman, trader, businessman, property dealer, owner of land, factory or property, warrior, military, police, electrician, firefighter, doctor, surgeon, manufacturer or dealers in arms, weapon, dealer of medicines or poisonous drugs or electrical goods. Saturn in Scorpio makes one revengeful and reactionary. He may do undignified job. These are the jobs mentioned in our ancient astrological shastras for Scorpio zodiac people who are ruled by planet Mars. I'm very sure follow this and see a big progress in your life never seen before. The next sign, viewers, I will say is Sagittarius. I mean to say, career best suited for Sagittarius. Viewers, its element is fire, ruling planet is Jupiter. Quality is mutable, and the symbol is the archer. They are noble person who are very helpful to others. They are great counselor, untiring workers, knowledgeable and good at extracting work from others. They cannot adapt themselves to the changing trends very easily and quickly. They will follow the dicta of elders and preceptors. They do well in machines, chemicals, artifacts, public service, administrative jobs, bank, philosopher, diplomat, electronics, computers, and commission business, and through journeys across long distance. They will not be carried away by money or fame. They will be person of good habits and action. It also gives a profession as ministers, counselors, priest, teacher, preacher, school, temples, lawyer, judges, explorer, consultant, physician, civil engineer, army officers, patriot, sportsman, weaponry, animal husbandry, executive, bankers, financial expert, magistrate, accountancy, astrologer, professors, philosopher, writer, publisher, woolen trader, shoe or footwear. He may do well in jobs of bravery, courage, and social activities. Afflicted Jupiter can make one an offender. Sun in Sagittarius viewers makes one happy and wealthy as a scholar or a skilled man in use of weapons and hands. He may be teacher, warrior, surgeon, engineer, artist, artisan, mechanic, or a sportsman. Mars in Sagittarius makes one a warrior. He could spoil his health and wealth due to his anger and harsh speech. Saturn in Sagittarius makes native adopt career in field of forest engineer, wood, spiritual societies, and service. These are the professions mentioned for Sagittarius in ancient astrological text. Viewers, follow this, bring lots of happiness in your life. I'm very sure these are very accurate and help you immensely if you follow. The next profession is Capricorn. I mean to say, career best suited for Capricorn. Its element is Earth, ruling planet is Saturn, quality is cardinal, and its symbol is the mountain god. Capricorn is that described by the combination of Saturn and the Earth element. Materialistic, practical, serious, and cautious. The Capricorn is the ideal industrialist or a business person letting no humanitarian concern interferes with important business of making money. They may appear to have a ability to create tangible, practical gains, not to mention wealth and prosperity. They are, however, inclined to go to extreme in all things and make certain decisions or change their mind for which they may regret, but they are too proud of acknowledge their error. These natives takes up jobs as a plumber in agriculture, horticulture, mining, forest product, metallurgy experts in mineral, geology, banking, civic work of supply and disposal, dentist, engineer, builder, executive, property and timber related cottage industries. They usually succeed late in life. Sun in Capricorn makes one greedy, unstable and always in hurry. Takes up several work which may not be manageable and may face a revolt by own men. Moon in Capricorn makes one shrewd diplomat, famous and wealthy in any profession. He may be technician, scholar, or musician. Mars in Capricorn makes one famous and wealthy, ruler, commander, or high official. Saturn in Capricorn makes native adopt career in traveling, jobs through food or water, content, manual type of department, agriculturist, horticulturist, florist. These are the professions mentioned in ancient astrological text, and they are very accurate viewers. Follow Capricornians and change your life coming prospects. This is my personal advice. The next sign is Aquarians. I mean to say career best suited for Aquarians. Your element is air, ruling planet is Saturn, its quality is fixed, and the symbol is the water carrier. Aquarius has a strong mental force, but they are as a rule generally misunderstood by others. They are thinker, have good reasoning ability, and make natural heads of business, organization, or any form of government work. They are independent and high-minded in all their actions, and detest being under the restraint of others. Aquarius is a fixed sign. Aquarians are often develop a lifestyle or set of attitude which they may find impossible to change. They worship intellectual, clever people and are deep thinker. They rarely interfere with the affair of others, but they will never stand interference from others. It gives a profession as a professor, philosopher, public relation officer, intellectual researcher, scientist, engineer, astrologer, computer, hardware expert, automobile expert, atomic or space expert, aeroplane mechanics, electrician, dealer in metals, transport job, ferries, aquatic products. If Sun is in Aries, one is malicious and skillful, but is disliked by others due to changing loyalty and infidelity. Mars in Aquarius makes one an evil and unfortunate and cause fall from position or heavy loss due to his misdeeds. Saturn in Aquarius viewers make one expert in secret knowledge, psychology, administration, etc. They become good teacher or guide, intellectual worker. These are the professions viewers you Aquarius must pursue to progress faster. I am not saying the ancient astrological texts which are written many years ago by our ancient sages clearly indicates, and I am very sure whatever I mentioned, they are attuned with your zodiac sign. The last is Pisceans. I mean to say career best suited for Pisceans. Pisceans element is water, ruling planet is Jupiter, its quality is mutable, and symbol is the two fishes. Pisces are emotional, sensitive, impressionable, and vulnerable. They are imaginative, poetic, and even psychic. They are lover of beauty and nature. Also, they may be too soft, too compassionate, and give into unreasonable requests and unjustified demands. Pliant and diplomat, they do not usually have to face showdowns. They enjoy healing professions like nursing, social work, physiotherapy. They are great biologist, artist, interior decorator, graphic designer, fashion designer, musician, psychologist, astrologer, academician, philosopher, media person, journalist, trade writer, director, entertainer, or cosmetology. It gives a career as a doctor, anesthetist, nurse, water supply work, shipping, fisheries, marine product, navy, international trade, fortune through wife, priest, court, lawyer, place and work at place of confinement, work as a prison guard, work in orphanage for secret service, sanatorium workers, warden, dealers in petrol, oil, chemical, paint, perfume, teaching job, work requiring imagination like cinema, film, script, writing, composing, etc. Viewers, Sun in Pisces makes one learned, popular, succeed over rivals, and gains in profession connected with water. Moon in Pisces makes one technician, engineer, warrior, musician, navigator, or a government servant. Mars in Pisces makes one reside in foreign land with honorable job. So, viewers, these are the very accurate, as per me, 100% accurate profession mentioned for all the zodiac sign in our ancient astrological text, Bhrigu Samhita, Chintamani Chamatkar, Jatak Parijat, and many others which I have gone through. And I have predicted innumerable horoscopes after interpreting from these zodiac signs and their professions. They were very accurate. You can listen to my talk and just see whatever professions I have mentioned. Please try to pursue interrelated professions where you have a planetary favor. If you're working in a profession which are against your zodiac sign, then you will have more resistance to grow. Thank you, viewers. Do write me your comments. Would you like to ask me anything? Send your date of birth, time, place. Whenever I get time, I will respond surely. Subscribe my channel. I will be happy. Share my channel Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye. See you.